Adding sites to your Zenler account. If you are a pro and or a premium member of Zenler, you have the ability to add, for pro members, 3 sites. For premium members, up to 10 sites. These sites are entirely separate from each other and they can be set up very easily from your admin. This means when you add a new site, we automatically create an entirely separate new Zenler sub-account site. So each site you add will have its own data, course, funnels, student and emails, etc. So nothing is shared across sites. Then you can also set up a custom domain or subdomain for every single site you add. So site 1, site 2, site 3, etc. will be entirely different new Zenler sub-accounts with no data shared between them. And now you can use your single admin login to add multiple sites, as many as your plan allows. An important note, as per your add sites terms, you can only add your own sites. You need to own the sites yourself, i.e. you cannot add sites for someone else. To access this area, go to your profile and down to account. You can also do this via the admin area. Again, go to your profile, go down to my accounts, and you'll see sites on the left hand side. Click this once. You'll see that there is one site here. This is the parent site. And you'll see a button here that says Add Sites. Once you click Add Site button, a message box with the instructions that should be kept in mind before you proceed. With a new site creation, click on Continue button to proceed. Click Continue. Enter the name and the site URL for your site and click Add Site. Remember, the site name will be the name of your site as shown in the top of the browser, and also notice that the URL will be the URL of your new site. Once this is set up, you can set it up as a custom subdomain or a domain and have it whatever name you have chosen. Let's click Add Site. Zenler has now created a brand new shiny site. To switch to a new site, simply click in here and go down to the tab. You can see Sites has been created in here now. If we click Brand New Shiny Site, it will take us into the brand new site that we just created. Remember, you can add up to 3 sites with Pro and up to 10 sites with Premium. To get back to your main site, click Support Document Site here, which is the name of this site, and you're back in that one. Remember that across all of the sites, they are completely separate from each other. Sometimes it might ask you to go to the root site if you're doing some particular task. Just make sure that you go back to the original site that you signed up with Zenler for. This is how you can create new sites on Zenler.